Bom dia, hello guys, how are you? Como estão? I'm Karolinti from karolinti.com and this is European Portuguese lesson. Today you will learn meaning, different forms and use of Portuguese preposition com. Are you ready? Fiquem comigo! Let's start with the meaning and different forms of preposition com. Com means with somebody, with something. Comparing to other Portuguese prepositions like a, de, em, preposition com doesn't join with an article of the noun. For example, todos os dias passeio com o Paulo. Todos os dias passeio com o Paulo. As you could see from this example, preposition com didn't join with an article of the noun. So we still have got two separate words, com, u. By the way, if you want to repeat or if you want to learn more about Portuguese prepositions such as a, em, de, para, links to those lessons I'll leave you now here and of course in the description box below. As you could see, preposition com doesn't join with an article of the noun, but preposition com joins with personal pronouns. When we have personal pronoun eu and preposition com, it changes into comigo. For example, quer ir ao cinema comigo. Quer ir ao cinema comigo. Personal pronoun tu with preposition com changes into contigo. For example, não quero ir ao cinema contigo. Não quero ir ao cinema contigo. Personal pronoun você with preposition com changes into consigo. Desculpe, posso falar consigo. Desculpe, posso falar consigo. Note, this form of preposition com is mainly used in European Portuguese. In Brazilian Portuguese, it's not that common. Hey, do you enjoy my lesson? Yes? Make sure to subscribe, leave your thumbs up and drop a comment. It is always good to know what's new with you and how is your Portuguese learning progress going. Okay, let's go back now to preposition com. Personal pronouns ele, ela with preposition com don't change. For example, quero dançar com ele, quero dançar com ela. Personal pronoun nós with preposition com changes into conosco. For example, queres ir conosco? Queres ir conosco? Personal pronoun vocês with preposition com changes into convosco. Não, não quero ir convosco. Não, não quero ir convosco. Personal pronouns eles, elas with preposition com don't change. For example, quero ir com eles. Quero ir com elas. Okay, so we know the meaning of preposition com, its different forms with personal pronouns. Let's move on now to different use of preposition com. One, as you may probably notice, preposition com is often used with invitations. Os convites. For example, quer dançar comigo? Quer dançar comigo? Queres ir com ele? Queres ir com ele? Easy, right? By the way, have you ever visited my website karolinti.com? No? Have a look. There you can find my all episodes. You can become my student by participating in Patreon. You can buy with me courses both offline and online. And you can make donation to support my channel. Check it out! 2. As you remember, preposition com means with somebody or with something. That is why we can say sentences like passeio com o Paulo, passeio com o Paulo, or bebo café com leite, bebo café com leite. Let's see more use of preposition com, shall we? 3. Preposition com is often used with Portuguese expressions describing states or emotions such as estou com fome, estou com fome, estou com frio, estou com frio, estou com dor de cabeça, estou com dor de cabeça. If you want to repeat or if you want to learn more about preposition com with verb estar, link to this lesson. I'll leave you now here and of course in the description box below. 4. Preposition com says also what something has or includes. For example, é quadro com animais. É quadro com animais. 5. Preposition com indicates also what something or someone uses to perform an action. For example, escrevo com lápis. Escrevo com lápis. That's all for today. Thank you for watching till the end of this episode. Was this lesson helpful? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget also to leave your thumbs up, share and subscribe. Take care and I see you soon. Até já!